If you travel abroad a lot, you care about three things. 1. Whether your card charges foreign transaction fees. 2. How much you actually save on every international purchase. 3. What extra benefits you get like lounge access or rewards. Here are the best credit cards with no foreign transaction fees in India and why they matter. Number 5. RBL World Safari Credit Card. The RBL World Safari Card is one of the oldest zero forex cards in India. It charges 0% foreign transaction fee. Normally, most credit cards charge around 3% to 3.5% markup plus 18% GST on that markup. This makes total cost around 4% extra. With World Safari, that extra cost is removed. The annual fee is 3000 rupee. The card gives 5 travel points per 100 rupee on domestic travel bookings, but it does not give reward points on international transactions. Instead, the saving comes directly from zero markup. It also gives 2 international lounge visits per year through Priority Pass and 8 domestic lounge visits. This card is best for people who travel abroad a few times every year and want a simple zero forex card from a traditional bank. Number 4. AU Ixigo Credit Card. The AU Ixigo card is lifetime free and charges 0 foreign transaction fee. It gives direct 10% discount on flight and hotel bookings made through Ixigo. On other retail and UPI spending, it offers good reward value. The biggest benefit is lounge access. You get up to 16 domestic airport and railway lounge visits per year and 1 international lounge visit if you meet quarterly spending of 20,000 rupee. This card is best for domestic travelers who go abroad once or twice per year and want both zero forex and strong lounge access without annual fees. Number 3. Federal Bank Scapia Credit Card. The Scapia card is lifetime free and charges 0 forex markup. If you normally spend 2 lakh rupee internationally in a year, a normal 4% markup would cost around 8,000 rupee. With Scapia, that cost is 0. The card gives 10% rewards on regular spending and 20% rewards on travel bookings made through the Scapia app. Each reward coin is worth 0.2 rupee. To get unlimited domestic lounge access, you must spend at least 10,000 rupee per month. This card works best for people who book travel through apps and want high-value rewards along with zero forex. Number 2. IDFC First WOW Credit Card. The IDFC First WOW card is a secured credit card backed by fixed deposit. It is lifetime free and charges 0 forex markup. It requires minimum fixed deposit of 20,000 rupee. You earn 4 reward points per 150 rupees spent, and 1 point equals 0.25 rupee. That gives around 0.67% reward rate. The special benefit is interest-free ATM withdrawal up to 45 days. Most credit cards start charging interest immediately on cash withdrawal. With this card, you get breathing time. This makes it useful for students going abroad or first-time international travelers who want safe and simple zero forex card without income proof. Number 1. IDFC First Mayura Credit Card. The IDFC First Mayura is a premium metal credit card with 0 foreign transaction fee. The joining fee is 5,999 rupee. It offers higher reward rate up to 10x points on higher monthly spending. Points can be worth up to 0.5 rupee each depending on redemption. It also provides 4 international lounge visits per quarter and interest-free ATM withdrawal up to 45 days. If you travel frequently and spend high amounts abroad, this card gives both zero forex savings and strong rewards on top. For example, if you spend 5 lakh rupee internationally in a year, a normal card would charge around 20,000 rupee in markup. With Mayura, that cost is 0 and you still earn reward points. Now let us understand something important. Zero foreign transaction fee means the bank does not charge markup, but you must always choose local currency at international payment terminal. If you choose to pay in rupee at foreign POS machine, the merchant may apply dynamic currency conversion, which can add 5% to 10% extra cost. Always choose local currency like USD, EUR, or AED to keep zero forex benefit active. Also remember, ATM operators abroad may charge their own local fee. That fee is not controlled by your bank. Zero forex removes bank markup, not local ATM charges. Now compare simply. If you want lifetime free and strong travel rewards, Scapia is good. If you want strong lounge access and travel discounts without fee, AU Ixigo is good. If you want safe entry-level card backed by deposit, IDFC Wow works well. If you want premium metal card with lounge and higher reward rate, IDFC Mayura is strongest option.